Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations with brackets. So this video is very similar to a previous video we just did recently about solving equations. The only difference here is that we have brackets. So in this video we will solve equations with brackets. We just remove the brackets and then we solve the equation in the normal manner. So let's have a look at two examples which will illustrate this process. Okay. Solve the following equations by first removing the brackets. So in example 1, we have 3 outside of m plus 5 equals 27. So we multiply the 3 by each of those terms, and that removes the brackets. So 3m plus 15 equals 27. Now, if we remember, we have a plus sign here, so we subtract 15 from both sides. Remember, you have to do that for each side to keep the equation balanced. So that brings us to this line here, where we have subtracted 15 from both sides. That leaves us with 3m equals 12. After we do that simplification and that simplification there. So now we divide both sides by 3 because the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So 3m over 3 equals 12 over 3. So when that's simplified, that gives us m equals 4. And if you like, you can quickly check that that's correct. If you put 4 in here, that gives you 4 plus 5 equals 9. 3 9s are 27, and that works. Example 2. We have 5 outside of k plus 3 equals 3 outside of k plus 11. So we remove the grouping symbols first. Now we notice on the left-hand side we have a term containing a pronumeral and a number, and a term containing a pronumeral and a number on the right-hand side. Let's get rid of the numbers first, because what we normally do with the solution of equations is we try and put the numbers on the right and the pronumerals on the left. So let's subtract 15 from both sides. That takes us to that line there. So when we simplify that part and that part, we get 5k equals 3k plus 18, because 33 minus 15 is 18. Now, we have 5k equals 3k plus 18. Now, to remove this term from the right-hand side, we subtract 3k from both sides. So that gives us 5k minus 3k equals 3k plus 18 minus 3k. When that is simplified, that gives us 2k equals 18, because 5k minus 3k is 2k, and when we simplify that part, we get 18. If we divide both sides by 2, so I didn't have to show the working, because once you get very proficient and you're at this stage, we know that we have to divide both sides by 2, which gives us k equals 9. And if you want to check it, 9 plus 3 equals 12, 5 12s are 60. 9 plus 11 equals 20, 3 20s are 60. And we know it works. So this short video has given us two examples where we've seen how to solve equations involving brackets, and all you do is remove the brackets first and then just go through the normal procedure that we saw in previous videos.